Guys, we're here at the Sanctuary of Truth. The cost is, it's kind of expensive. It's like 500 baht per person, which is about $15. So it's a guided tour. And the next tour is at 2 p.m. So this place, I believe, was started in about 1981. It's all hand built. There's a guy that started this Sanctuary of Truth, and we're gonna figure out who that was when we get up here. Now, they've been working on this thing solid, and I don't think they're gonna complete it for several more years. So that's like 40 years of hand carving, you guys. 40 years of just working on this thing. So you got these little ponies in here. Oh, they're gonna feed it. She's gonna feed it. Oh, I don't think she's seen too many horses in her lifetime. The vicious beast. We're gonna have to wait up here at the viewpoint. Wow, I can see this imposing view from here. Look at that. It's called a viewpoint. I ain't kidding here. So we are standing at the viewpoint of the Sanctuary of Truth Museum, where the sky meets the sea. Inside the museum, there are hundreds of wood carving sculptures which reflect the art, culture, and belief. The Sanctuary of Truth Museum is one of the three masterpieces of Kun Lek and Kun Prapai. I can't say that. Founded in 1981 under the concept of the nature of human life. Look at the different versions of how they can join wood. Butterfly joint, dovetail, half joint, tongue and groove. There's the dovetail right there. You've got the long dovetail. The carrying pole. And the shingle roof. The tongue and groove and the wooden pin. Quite fascinating.
At the most beautiful point of the museum, where reflect idea and concept of the founder. The founder is Mr. Lek Viriyapan and Mrs. Prapai Viriyapan. This is the picture of the founder. The founder actually has three masterpiece projects in Thailand. The first, the ancient city or Mueang Boran Museum, was built in 1963 in Samut Prakan province. And the second one is the Erawan Museum, was built in 1994 in Samut Prakan province also. And here, the Sanctuary of Truth Museum was built in 1981, or 41 years ago already. The founder recognized about nowadays the developing of technology has been faster and faster than ever, and the effect from the globalization caused so much to everybody to face. And then what happened? The meaning of life will slowly and slowly disappear, and how to chaos will begin. So the founder want to show us about how can staying, belonging in peace. This topic represents to the top of the museum. The first top of the museum, turning on the northern, you can look at Atlant Chibang Seaport. The first top is a man holding a lotus, represent about the strong intention to be a good deed and good person. The second one, turn on us, this is a woman holding a book, represent about learning the truth of life from the past. No matter who you are, where are you from, what religion you are, everyone are the same because of we are human. The third one, turn on the southern. This is a man with child and elder. Represent about generosity and forward to the altar in society. Teach them nicely and respect them. The fourth one, turn on the sea. This is a woman have a bird and life body on her hand. Represent about peace can be started by ourselves first, and we become to a good role model to forward to the altar in society. So the final at the highest top of the museum is a goddess on a horse, have a bird and flower on her head. Represent about the successful from the four character. And the four character, this is a key to bring peace to our society. So finally, if everyone recognize about the 5 top of the museum already. Everyone will belonging in peace and together. Okay, this is the meaning of the top of the museum. So now this is time to go inside of the museum. Let's go, everyone. This way, please, ma'am, sir.
Please receive the helmet because of construction. It's probably an insurance issue. All right. Hello. All right. What do you think, guys? Got the helmet. Can I work it? My friend Funk. He's in Pi. And this is his statue, I think.
Model before we conduct the real work. On the last step, they will use the chemical to control insect.
All right.
So more than that one, opposite you can see, this part is the cutting wood machine, so you can see the shape.
Look at that, you guys.
Over there, that is the cutting wood machine. That
The
shapes
cutting
all
wood
of
machine.
the wood to be cycled. You
That's
can
kind of
see.
funny.
Welcome to my tour, master. Have you been inside yet? Not yet, okay. This is our tour. This way, everyone. Already, the resort will be like this. And all of these one is the decoration. Decoration to put around the column. The first step, they will draw everything again on the template. You can see the template. That is the template. After they already get the template, they put on the real work. So after they walk around the board, they allow all of that. We can come back again to see the workshop and then we may also workshop that side, show you about the powder distribution. The creator is the leg and food Pattaya is the creator. So let's go to show you about the philosophy of life of the owner and also at the back, this one is the souvenir shop. We have a lot, you know, a lot of souvenir and you can give that to your girlfriend or your boyfriend, you know, after you that you can.
So this is what it's supposed to look like, guys. This is the model.
So this is the special one to build this museum without the nail. This is the technique to lock the floor also from glue. Because the museum is not finished yet. Okay, so that's why we need to wear the helmet during in many traditional styles, such as Thai, Indian, Chinese, and so on. So we call this museum to be contemporary art at Ratana Kosit era. Contemporary art at Ratana Kosit era. Okay, so the next one is where please.
Wow, this thing is crazy. Look at this, you guys. You know, I gotta see what that's like, right? This is just off the freaking hook, you guys. Look at this place. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. How do you put this place into words? Right? Sum that up into words, huh?